Shanna decided to...
Oh, I'm all...
Yeah, what? Shanna decided to blow up a couch and spray glue the batting to a sheet, and then she made a wall of clouds, and we're going to shoot with it today. Clouded up. The wall was already clouded up. When doing this, your fingers get super sticky with this spray glue. So we have our model. We have this big, huge umbrella. It's like a 5-foot umbrella. And if you look, it's just coming on to the side of her just a little bit. Most of it is in front, so the light will wrap around her. And then I kicked this reflector. That is reflecting light. That's reflecting some of the light back up onto her, so her left side isn't so dark.
Oh, so pretty.
So Shanna sent me a picture of like a woman lying on a cloud bed kind of like this with lights below it. So I figured we'd use the Luminoodles that I have. But we have just 3 of them just laying below. If you have really bright LED strips, you can use something like that. But we just have the batting or the clouds glued to this, just a bed sheet basically. And then the Luminoodles are below there. So it's going to create this nice illuminated bed for the model to lay on. Okay, so we have the Luminoodles underneath Jessie, our model. They're kind of mimicking her body shape. We have them turned down all the way, and we actually have a piece of fabric over them so they're dimmer. And then we have this little tiny bit of sunlight coming through, which is very blue, and it's kind of giving us a moon light quality. And then I have a 8200 Pro on the back side of here that's just kind of giving some fill light, making that moonlight just a little bit brighter. For this look, we have her in a nice pink bodysuit. We have a blue sucker to really just kind of pop against the pink color. We have this 8200 in a Westcott Rapid Box as our key light. It's kind of a beauty-ish looking light. And then this thing over here is our huge light. It's just giving some fill back onto her. Okay, for these last ones, I went to mostly natural light from this window here. But I noticed that this light was still on, the 400 Pro with the big umbrella. So I left it on because it was filling in just a little bit of the shadow on that left side. So mainly just the window light is the key light, and then the other one is the fill light. And there's Shanna just peeking out.